A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to English literature class. Now, Act 2, Scene 2 is going on. Yesterday, you read the speech of Gobo, line number 35, and at present, the speech of Lancelot, line number 40. Lancelot speech. Turn up on your right hand at the next turning, but at the next turning of all on your left. Marry, at the very next turning, turn off no hand, but turn down indirectly to the Jew's house. He confused him. He confused his father. He said, go to your right, and at the next turn, but at the next bend, turn to your left. I swear by blessed Mary, I say at the very next turning, do not turn anywhere, but later turn down towards the Jew's house. Gobo says, by God's Santis, it will be a hard way to hit. By God's saints, this will be a difficult path to take. Can you tell me whether one Lancelot that dwell with him or no? He asked the question to his own son. Could you tell me whether certain Lancelot who lives with the Jew lives with him or not? Lancelot says, talk you of young Master Lancelot. You are talking about young Master Lancelot. Aside, mark me now will I raise the waters. Talk you of young Master Lancelot. Do you talk about young Master Lancelot? Aside, he says, look at me now. I bring tears into his eyes. I bring tears into his eyes. Aloud, he says, are you talking about young Master Lancelot? Gobo says, no, master, sir, but a poor man's son. His father, though I say it is an honest, exceeding poor man, and God be thanked well to live. Do not call him master. He is not Master Lancelot. Do not call him master, sir. He is the son of a poor man. His father, although I say it myself, is an honest man. In spite of being very poor, he is an honest man. Thank God he leads a good life. Lancelot says, well, let his father be water. Will we talk of young Master Lancelot? Lancelot says, well, let his father be whatever he is. It doesn't matter. We are talking about the young Lancelot. Gobo says, your virtuous friend? And Lancelot said, yes, sir, your young friend Lancelot. Lancelot says, but I pray you, ergo, old man, ergo, I beseech you, talk you of young Master Lancelot. I ask you, therefore, old gentleman, are you referring to young Master Lancelot? Gobo says, of Lancelot, and please your mastership. Yes, to Lancelot, if you please, sir. Lancelot says, ergo Master Lancelot, talk not of Master Lancelot, father, for the young gentleman, according to fates and destinies and such old saying, the sister three and such branches of learning is indeed deceased, or as you would say in plain terms, gone to heaven. Therefore, you are referring to Master Lancelot. Do not speak about Master Lancelot, old gentleman. The young man, according to his fate or destiny or such things, or the three sisters of the ancient Greeks and such other branches of learning, is dead. He is dead, or to say in plain words, has gone to heaven. He has gone to heaven. He is dead. Gobo says, Mary, God forbid. The boy was the very staff of my age, my poor, my very prop. By the Virgin Mary, may God forbid this to happen. It should not be happened. The boy was the support in my old age. He was the staff. He was the very staff of my age. The boy was the support in my old age, my only support. Lancelot aside says, do I look like a cudgel or a howel post, a staff or a prop? Do you know my father? Aside he said, do I look like a staff or a post supporting a shed? A staff or a support? Aloud he says, don't you recognize me, father? Gobbo says, alack the day I know you do not. You not, young gentleman, but I pray you tell me, is my boy, God rest his soul, alive or dead? Alas, the day I do not know you, young man. But please tell me, is my son, may God give him peace, dear, dead or alive? You tell me, is dead or alive? Lancelot, do you not know me, my father? Father, you don't know me. Gobbo says, alack, sir, I am sand blind, I know you not. Alack, sir, I am half blind, I cannot recognize you. Lancelot says, nay, indeed, if you had your eyes, you might fail of the knowing me. It is a wise father that knows his own child. Well, old man, I will tell you news of your son. No, indeed, even if your eyesight was good, you might not recognize me. Even if your eyesight was good, you might not recognize me. For it is a wise father who recognizes his child. Well, old man, I shall give you the news of your son. Give me your blessings. He kneels down. Truth will come to light. Murder cannot be hid long. A man's son may, but in the end, truth will out. He says, give me a blessing. And Lancelot kneels before him. Truth will reveal itself, and murder cannot be hidden for long. A man's son may hide things, but in the end, the truth will be revealed. At the end, the truth will be revealed. Gobbo says, pray you, sir, stand up. I am sure you are not Lancelot, my boy. Please get up. I am sure that you are not my son, Lancelot Gobbo. Lancelot says, pray you, let's have no more fooling about it. But give me your blessings. I am Lancelot, your boy that was, your son that is, your child that shall be. Please, father, let us not fool each other any more. Now give me your blessing. I am Lancelot, who was your boy and is your son and shall always be your child. Gobbo says, I cannot think you are my son. He himself making fun. I cannot think you are my son. Lancelot says, I know not what I shall think of that, but I am Lancelot, the Jew's man, and I am sure Marjorie, your wife, is my mother. I do not know what to say about that. I am Lancelot, the servant of the Jew. Marjorie, your wife, is my mother. Gobbo says, her name is Marjorie. Indeed, I will be sown if thou be Lancelot. Thou art mine own flesh and blood. Lord worshipped might he be. What a beard hast thou got. Thou hast got more hair on thy chin than Dobbin my Phil horse has on his tail. Gobbo says, her name is Marjorie. Indeed, you are Marjorie was my wife, and my name, her name is Marjorie indeed. I can swear now that if you are Lancelot, you are my son. He feels Lancelot's face. May the Lord be praised. What a beard you have. Beard you have. You have more hair on your face than Dobbin, my shaft horse, has on his tail. Lancelot's rising. It should seem then that Dobbin's tail grows backward. I am sure he had more hair off his tail than I have on my face when I last saw him. Getting up, Lancelot, getting up. It seems that Dobbin's tail is growing less. For I am sure when I last saw him, he had more hair on his tail than I have on my face. And what happens after that, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.